Hello those, welcome back. In today's video I came up with this look. I feel like this look is perfect for the fall, and I created this look with affordable drugstore makeup. Yes guys, I'm feeling myself. Before I jump into the video, I want to make an announcement, guys. Esther, one of the small YouTubers, came out with lip gloss. Why don't we support her? Even if she's a small YouTuber, we all support these big YouTubers and they make money with us. Why don't we support ourselves? Anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
Now going in with my Viola Anti-Aging Vitamin C Serum. Now going in with the Viola Skin Anti-Aging Eye Serum. Now going in with the Viola Skin Anti-Wrinkle Face Cream. Now going in with the Purple Original Balm Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm with Natural Purple for lip, skin, cuticles, beauty finish, fragrance free. Now going in with the Barrier Flawless Brightening Primer. I want my face to glow today even if I'm using a matte foundation, so I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Luminizing Primer. I'm just applying this on the outer primitive of my face. Now it's time to define my brows, and I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade Deep Brown. You all know how I define my brows. For those of you that are new to my channel, I'll be leaving my brow tutorial in my description box below, or it will be appearing on my left hand side. And to clean up my brows, I'm going in with the Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C10, using my Naya concealer brush. Now that I've cleaned up my brows, the foundation I'll be using for today is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24 Hours Foundation in the shade 60 Caramel, mixing it with a Sleek Bare-Kissed Illuminator in the shade Pompeii. Using my Naya foundation brush to blend that out. To blend in that foundation, I'm going in with my Naya Beauty Sponge. Now going back in with that concealer, which is by Revolution. And to cream contour my face, I'm going in with the Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse in the shade 70 Cocoa. And I'll be using my concealer brush to apply that. Blending it out with my Naya Beauty Sponge. Wow, ever since I tried this sponge is everything. To set my face, I'm going in with the Maybelline Face Studio Setting Powder, Bake Plus Brightening Loose Powder, which is good. And this is in the shade, I'm sorry guys, I can't say the shade, but I'm just going to show you the way it is. Now moving on to the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow I'll be using for today is the Fall in Love by Barrier. And I'll be picking up those two shades right there. Using the eyeshadow blending brush by Naya, I'm just patting these two shades into my crease, a little bit above my crease. When I get to the outer V, I just round it out like that. Just like that. Now going in with a clean brush to blend this out. Using the Naya blending brush to blend this out. Now taking that red shade, applying that to my lid using my Naya eyeshadow brush. But before I do that, I like to go in with the white concealer by Revolution. I'm just tapping around the edges. After applying that shade, all I want to do is to use the same brush to tap around the edges. Going back in with the same first brush we started with, using this to blend out the harsh line. Now applying the same shade on my lower lash line. Now taking the yellow shade to blend out the reddish shade. Now going in with the transition shade, using it to blend out the yellow shade. Now reinforcing that reddish shade because I lost the intensity. Now using the same brush, taking the yellow shade to blend out my transition shade. Now going in with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade 01 Black Fever. I'm going to pick a flat brush, a dense flat brush, and pick up the dark shade right there. I'm going to use that to smudge out the eye pencil. In my inner corner, I'm going in with the Dazzle Dust by Barry M, and this is in the number 44. Underneath the 44, it says 739. Using my pencil brush by Naya, tapping off the excess. And applying some of that shade on my brow bone. Now going back in with my brush to blend it out. You can usually use this as a highlighter, but for now, I don't know if I'm going to use that yet. So, I'm going to dust off this powder. To contour my face, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Powder in the shade Deep Warm. Using my Naya Angled Blush Brush. I'm going to be using this Angled Eyeshadow Brush by Naya to apply that to the side of my nose. Now to bronze up my face, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Glam Bronze in the shade 02 Capri Naturale. Using my Naya powder brush. Do not go in with a heavy hand to apply this L'Oreal Glam Bronze because it's really pigmented. Just keep building it up. I like to go in with my setting spray before I apply my highlighter. And the setting spray I'm using for today is the Maybelline Super Stay Setting Spray. I'm still using that same highlighter I used on my inner corner, which is by Barry M. The blush I'll be using for today is the Blush Palette by Barry M. Now going in with the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Amazonia. Now the mascara I'll be using for today is the Essence Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara with Strength Fibers. And the lashes I'll be using for today is the Social Eyes eyelashes. Now to make sure the brow hairs doesn't move, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper in the shade Medium Dark. Now going in with my setting spray by Maybelline, but if you really want this makeup to stay for a very long time, I suggest you go in with L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. Guys, I went ahead and changed my lipstick to the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Plump This Shoe. I feel like this lipstick ties with the whole look. Anyways, that brings us to the end of this look. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you do, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up and comment below what look you'd like to see next from me. And I would love to see you on my next one. Bye dolls!